On that last slide in Nearpod, you should have used the red to highlight the second sentence that started with, according to J. Fergus, and your paragraph should have looked like this. The second sentence was the evidence. The next part of meal is the A for analysis. The tricky part about the analysis is that it often takes more than one sentence to explain what the evidence means and why it matters. Look for where in the paragraph the writer is making connections and new, interesting meaning. When you click next on Nearpod, you'll see the same Red Vine Twizzlers paragraph. Hit the highlighter tool, and there is no pink, so you're going to click this second down from the bottom all the way on the right. It's like a brownish color. It comes out a little bit pink when you highlight. And then you're going to find everything after the evidence, all this analysis that explains what the evidence means and why it matters. And I include all of that. It's more than one sentence. And then when you're done, you're going to hit the submit key.